Stoichiometry is when we compare two substances in a reaction by using ratios. We use these ratios to make predictions on how much reactant is used and also how much product is used. The roadmap. This is how we solve for stoichiometric problems. We are going to compare in stoichiometry substance A, which is given information in a problem, with substance B, which is what the problem is asking about. Okay? There's two starting points, either grams or moles of substance A, and two ending points, moles or grams of substance B. In order to get or convert substance A to substance B, we have to look on the balanced equation and use what we call the ratio. Limiting reactants is a substance that runs out first, and it limits how much product is made. To solve, we're going to be doing two stoichiometric problems. We're going to take grams of reactant 1 and solve to grams of product, and then we're going to take a second reactant, grams of reactant 2, and solve for the same product we used in the first stoichiometric problem. Okay, it has to be the same product. We're going to compare the answers. Whichever reactant produces the least number of grams of the product is considered the limiting reactant. And the limiting reactant dictates how much reactant is used as well as how much product is made. Percent yield is the analysis of results, and it basically takes a look at your experimental error. Your results, if they're less than 100%, means that you do have an experimental error. What you're shooting for is 100% yield, which means what you actually get is what you predicted. So how we calculate it is exactly that. Percent yield is the actual amount which will be given to you in the problem, or what you collect in the lab, divided by calculated. And then we're going to multiply that number by 100. Again, we're trying to aim for 100% yield, which means what we actually collect is what we actually predicted or calculated.